Hey guys, what is up? Today's video will show you how to fix iPhone 11 Ghost Touch. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix Ghost Touch in your iPhone 11? Stay tuned because this video is for you. Alright, so Ghost Touch is when your screen is moving on its own without you touching it. So one of the easiest ways to remedy this is to do a forced restart on your iPhone 11. What you need to do is press volume up and then press volume down and then press hold the power button. Hold this until the Apple logo appears. Once your phone is done restarting, you can check if the ghost touch is still there. Most of the time, this fixes the issue. It's that simple. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.